Hey guys, I'm back and welcome to my podcast, God in Terms of Physics. So, last time we had discussed how God can be omnipotent and omnipresent, and before that, we made a possible theory that how God can be a dense mass of a nucleus at the center of all universes, and that nucleus somehow controls everything going on everywhere. Now, today, let's dive deeper and actually think what that nucleus can be. Can it really be a nucleus or can it be something else too? So, going back to theoretical physics, we can discuss a little about black holes and singularities. So, you all may have heard that a black hole or a singularity is formed when a star dies or something like that, but it usually involves a huge change of energy. At CERN in Switzerland, they have made a large hadron collider in which two particles are given a very high velocity and made to collide with each other, and that is how they managed to form mini black holes on Earth, and that is how they have studied further about what black holes may really contain. So, black holes are considered to have the most amount of gravity in the entire universe, and in all of the universes, a black hole is the only thing which will have the maximum gravity within it. So, the reason for it is, I think that the atoms inside the black hole will show some kind of fission and they will be rapidly dividing atoms. I think that phenomenon is possible given the high energy, and because of these atoms dividing inside, they form many atoms and are packed together so densely that the density is almost infinite, giving it a very high mass, which gives it the maximum gravity. So, after the studies on black holes and singularities and various adaptations in movies, scientists have come up with one very interesting fact about black holes. So, if a human was supposed to be near a black hole, then our head, suppose we are facing the black hole with our head towards it, our head would be pulled with such a force that before our legs were pulled too, we would be shredded into pieces. And that is how a black hole will engulf a human theoretically. Even our mortal remains inside a black hole would cease to exist because there's so much gravitational force that our mass will be converted to energy on the spot, and we can support that with the equation E is equal to mc square. Now, if there is energy conversion inside a black hole, and a black hole can also trap photons, light particles inside it, so it absorbs light. So imagine what would the effect on radiation be. So scientists discovered that when radiation enters into a black hole and then exits from a black hole, the radiation is completely altered. I think that black holes are constantly absorbing masses from one part or the other of the universe, and they're converting that to energy. Now, this energy can be used to manipulate the radiation entering inside a black hole. This means that the black hole will now be able to alter the wavelength and various other criteria regarded to radiations and vibrations. So now let's think in terms of what if God actually exists in the form of a black hole and not even a dense nucleus. It is possible because a black hole will have so much gravity that it can hold universes together. So that is one evidence provided. And second, if black hole can change radiations, alter them, so it can even manipulate our quantum fields. Our quantum fields are basically our luck, and when we pray, we create an aura, and that aura travels, I think it travels in some form or the other to this black hole, and the black hole alters it and sends it back. But these are till now the mysteries of the universe, and this is a possible theory. So let's see if we can go more into detail and check out my next episode. Thank you so much.